Don't want to run my brother over.
There you go. This is scary.
It is scary.
I think it's the most scary thing I've done in a while.
We're in the temper cabin.
No, he does that when he wants to get
You to hold him? Yeah, go ahead. Thank you, guys.
Not now. Oh no.
He's won already?
Yeah, he's fine. It's November 11th. Veterans.
Hi!
Hola.
Se pinta como yo antes. La uña. La uña.
No, las uñas pintadas.
Oh.
Hi.
Yeah, we're Cowboys fans too.
That's right. This is the year. The Rangers won the championship, so we're excited this year. So
Hopefully they can make
they were good this year.
My family lives here, but I'm still from California.
Yes.
What's up?
Is that the natural one? The natural.
Oh, sorry.
430.
I've noticed that people here, the locals, they're kind of rude.
Yes, they are.
There's nothing like Southern hospitality. Like, oh, excuse me, y'all. Yeah, everyone's rude. You're like, man, I was just asking you a question. Like, calm down.